This is Hamna Khalid from Ocean of Knowledge. Today I will tell you the detailed description of adjective. First I must tell you what is the introduction of adjective. Adjective is a word used with a noun to add something for its meaning. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. It describes or modifies a noun. Now I tell you the example to make you more clear that how we can use adjective in different ways. There are two examples to make the point more clear to you. The first example is that the lazy boy was punished. In the first example, the adjective was used with a noun boy as an attribute, so it is said to be attributively. And in the second example, the boy is lazy. In it, the adjective was used with a verb and it became the part of predicate, so it is said to be predicatively. Now we move towards different kinds of adjective. Kinds of adjective. There are so many kinds of adjective. The first type of adjective is adjective of quality. What is the definition of adjective of quality? Adjective of quality tell us the quality of some person or thing. The first example is Karachi is a large city. In it is telling us the quality of a city, that it is very large. And the second type of example is he is an honest man. In this example, it is telling us the quality of a man, that he is very honest. And the notable thing is that adjective of quality answer the question of what kind. Now we move toward the second type of adjective. The second type of adjective is adjective of quantity. What is the definition of adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity shows how much of a thing is meant. The first example is I ate some rice. In it some is adjective of quantity and it is telling us how much how much the rice the person ate. And the second type of example is you have no sense. It is telling us how much of a person has sense and he has no sense. And a notable thing is that adjective of quantity answer the question of how much. It is used for things, not for a person. And the third type of adjective is adjective of number. What is the definition of adjective of number? Adjective of number shows how many of a person or thing is meant. What tells us adjective of number? Adjective of number shows how many of a person or thing are meant. The first example is the hand has 5 fingers. In it, the adjective of number 5 is adjective of number and it is telling us that a hand has 5 fingers. And the second example is Monday is the first day of the week. In it, what is the adjective of number? In it, the first is adjective of number because it is telling us that Monday is the first day of the week. And the notable thing is that adjective of number answer the question of how many. Adjective of quantity is used for things and adjective of number is used for both persons or things. Now we move towards other types of adjective. Now I am telling you the 4th type of adjective, that is demonstrative adjectives. What is the definition of demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. For example, this boy is stronger than Ali. In it, this is demonstrative adjective. These mangoes are sour. These is demonstrative adjectives. The more notable thing is that demonstrative adjective answer the question of which. And this, that are used. You must keep it in mind that this, that, this or that are used for singular noun and these and those are used for plural noun. Now we move towards the last type of adjective, that is interrogative adjectives. What, which, when and whose are used for asking question, and it is called interrogative adjective. The example is what manner of man is he in it. What is interrogative adjective, and whose book is this in it. Whose is interrogative adjective. And the notable thing is that what is used in general sense and which is used in selective sense. In when there is general sense, we will use it to use in general routine. In general routine we use what, and when there is selective type of asking question, then we will use which. Okay, now we move towards other step of adjective. Adjective or number, these are three kinds. The first one is definite numerical adjective, and the second one is indefinite numerical adjective, and the last one is distributive numerical adjective. And the first one, that is definite numerical adjective, is that the definition of it is that it denotes exact number. For example, 1, 2, 3, these are called cardinals, and if we talk about first, second, third, these are called ordinals. The second type is indefinite numerical adjective. These are those which don't denote exact number. For example, if we say all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several and sundry, it means we are not denoting exact number, and these are called indefinite numerical adjectives. And the last one is a distributive numerical adjective. These are those which refer to each one of a number. For example, each boy must take his turn, and the next one is every word of it is false, and the last example is either pen will do. In it, each, every and either, these all are distributive numerical adjectives. Okay, now we move towards the other types of adjectives. How adjectives are formed? When we discuss formation of adjectives, many adjectives are formed from noun. Mostly adjectives are formed from noun. For example, from boy we make boyish, from fool we make foolish, from silk we make silken, and from play we make playful. Boyish, foolish, silken, playful, these are all adjectives. And the other adjectives are found from words. These are some are adjectives, these are found from verbs. For example, tired, from tired we make tireless, from talk we make talkative. And the some adjectives are found from other adjectives. We make adjectives from adjectives. For example, tragic is also adjective, and we make adjective from other adjectives. Tragic, tragical, whole, wholesome, black, blackish. Some adjectives are formed from other adjectives. These are the types of them. Okay, the lecture is over. I think you have understood. I gave you the detailed description of adjective. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.